In the vast remote darkness of the open ocean, an ancient world awakens. Beneath the waves, creatures of hypnotic grace reign supreme. But as night falls, a different kind of predator arrives. A fleet of industrial vessels, armed with technology designed for one purpose: to hunt. The giant cuttlefish, a master of light and color, is unaware of the relentless automated army of hooks descending from above. A shimmering curtain of death. This is the story of a grueling, high-stakes harvest, a battle waged by seasoned crews against exhaustion, time, and the unforgiving sea. It is the journey of one of the ocean's most valuable treasures, from the wild depths to the global market. With land fading behind the horizon, a professional fishing vessel heads into the deep waters off the coast of Peru. Here, the giant cuttlefish reigns, a creature of hypnotic grace and kaleidoscopic color. In the wheelhouse, the captain relies on sophisticated electronics to track the massive schools moving in the darkness below. Under the powerful glare of industrial lights, an automated system of jiggers relentlessly pulls squid from the churning, illuminated sea. Out on the open ocean, vessels work in tandem, their lights creating small islands of industry in the immense darkness. The crew is split into grueling 12-hour shifts, working non-stop from sunset until dawn. These are seasoned sailors, survivors of countless voyages, battling exhaustion and the elements for their share of the prize. At sunrise, the vessel makes its way across the vast Pacific, its hold full of the night's valuable catch. The Humboldt squid is a powerful nighttime predator, drawn from the depths by the irresistible glow of the fishing boat's lights. A squid strikes a glowing lure, its tentacles instantly ensnared by the sharp hooks in a fatal embrace. Attracted by the artificial moon, thousands of squid swarm to the surface, creating a feeding frenzy the fishermen are ready to exploit. With mechanical precision, the automated jiggers haul in a constant stream of squid from the rich waters. Soon, the deck is covered in a writhing, slippery harvest, a chaotic but valuable bounty pulled from the sea. The crew works with practiced efficiency, deploying and retrieving the complex system of lines and winches. On a dangerously pitching platform, the fishermen work to land another giant squid, a precarious and demanding task. Two men struggle to manage the powerful creature, showcasing the sheer strength required for this type of fishing. As the nets are hauled, the crew is met with a storm of black ink and slime, the squid's last desperate defense. Using smaller boats and handlines, some fishermen engage in a more direct and perilous battle with these powerful predators. A fisherman expertly subdues a giant squid, a creature whose strength could easily pull an unprepared man overboard. On the boat, the giant squid is quickly processed, with its internal organs removed to preserve the quality of the meat. The crew rushes to pack the catch into crates with crushed ice, a critical first step in the cold chain. Back at the port, the industrial process kicks into high gear as workers begin unloading the night's haul. Crates overflowing with squid are quickly moved from the boats to the processing plant in a race against the clock. Each squid is inspected and washed, the first of many quality control steps before it enters the factory. Inside the facility, a large team of workers in sterile gear begins the meticulous process of cleaning and preparing the catch. The squid mantles are fed into a machine that efficiently removes the skin, preparing them for the next stage. Each mantle is carefully washed and laid out before being sent through the industrial skinning machine. Workers operate a well-oiled assembly line, preparing the squid tubes with a constant, rapid workflow. Dozens of workers meticulously sort and clean the squid, ensuring that every piece meets strict international export standards. The clean squid mantles are then cut into uniform rings, one of the most popular forms for the global market. The tentacles are processed separately, first cut into sections and then blast frozen using individual quick freezing technology. The diced pieces move along a conveyor and into a spiral freezer, where they are flash frozen in a matter of minutes. Perfectly formed squid rings emerge from the line, ready for the final freezing and packaging stages. Workers carefully sort the frozen squid rings, checking for quality and uniformity before they are sent to be packaged. The squid pieces travel through a complex series of conveyors and freezers, a marvel of modern food processing technology. An automated machine weighs, fills, and seals each bag, ensuring a precise and hygienic final product for consumers worldwide. The final frozen pieces are sorted one last time before being packaged, completing their journey from the ocean to the shelf. Freshly frozen squid rings move along a spiral freezer before being boxed, weighed, and shipped to international markets. From a dangerous deep-sea hunt to a high-tech factory floor, it is a survival gamble that feeds the world.